All right, guys, so as discussed in our live class today, FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. So that is, we use FOIL when we're multiplying a binomial with a binomial, okay? So if I want to use the rainbow method, I would say. So from the first term, I'm going to make an arrow to the first term in the second parentheses, okay? And then I'm going to write x times x equals, okay? And since there's two terms, I know that that's the first one, so I have to now share this first term to the second one. So now I'm going to have x times -5 equals, okay? So that's first, outer, inner, last, okay? So the first one is going to the outer ones. The inner one is going to go last, okay? So now 3 needs to share to x. So I'm going to have 3 times x. And then 3 needs to share over to -5, so I'm going to have 3 times -5. After I have made like my lines, my rainbow method, okay, then I can multiply and through and find my products. X times x, well, that's a 1 and a 1, so that's going to give me x squared. Remember, when you multiply variables, you add their exponents. If they are different, you stick them together. So x times -5 is -5x, okay? Then we have 3 times x. Those are different, so they're just gonna stick right on together, okay? And then we have 3 times -5, which gives us -15. Now, after I'm done with that, I'm gonna go right ahead and put all of my terms together in standard form. So I need to pick the term with the biggest exponent first, and that's x squared. Now, if you do it the right way, you can just list them, right? So it's going to be -5x plus 3x minus 15. That's minus because it's negative, and it's plus because this is positive. Now, my like terms I see are -5x and 3x. And that simplifies to give me -2x. So now I'm just going to bring the other two terms down. So that's x squared minus 15. And that, ladies and germs, is my final answer. Now, what about if this method doesn't work out for me, right? So we're going to do this again, okay? So if I have, let's do my parentheses, and let me go ahead and get those colors in there for you, right? Same one again, x plus 3 and x minus 5. What about if I'm just like not that type of person, like I just don't get this, right? Well, I know that FOIL means that I have to share the first binomial with the second one. So it's just like the distribution property, right? So I can change this to x and 3, right? Put those parentheses, okay? This x goes here and this 3 goes here. And then because I shared it twice, I get to write x minus 5 twice, okay? Then I can go right ahead and distribute it. So if this way makes more sense, where like you distribute one thing into a parentheses, you can also do it that way, okay? So first I have x times x. I'm gonna write that down. And then I have x times -5, equal and equal, okay? The next one, I have 3 times x, and then 3 times -5. And as we saw above, we know what those answers are already, right? X times x is x squared. X times -5, -5x. They just stick right on together. 3 times x gives me 3x, and 3 times -5 is -15. Forgot that one there, okay? Bring all your terms together. X squared minus 5x plus 3x minus 15, okay? Once again, I have to combine my like terms first before I state my final answer. -2x is what results. Bring down everything else, minus 15 times x squared, not times, bring down that x squared, okay? So these are the two methods that you can use, okay? You can either do the FOIL method where you just make the lines and you share it, or if you're not that type of learner and you need to see it spread out, you can share the first term to the second one, but just remember that you have to write it twice, okay? Hope this video helped.